Since the Black and Decker Workmate is a handy accessory in my shop, I decided to pick up another used one. Unlike my first Workmate that had nice multi-layer plywood tops, this one had tops made from particle board that were swollen from water damage. In this video, I'll be making some new quality tops. Since the tops are about 1 inch or 25 millimeters in thickness, I'll be laminating 2 layers of 1/2 inch Baltic birch plywood together. To create nice flat tops, I'll also embed steel bars between the 2 layers. With the factory edge against the fence, grooves are plowed into the plywood to fit the steel bars. Note that the location of the steel bars are carefully determined so they won't interfere with dog holes that will be later drilled into the tops. The plywood is cross-cut into the 2 pieces that will be laminated together. A slow-set epoxy is mixed and placed in the grooves. The steel bars are embedded in the epoxy. The rest of the plywood is sparingly coated with wood glue. The plywood is laminated together using clamps and heavy weight on a flat surface. Again, with the factory edge against the fence, the laminated plywood is now ripped into 2 5-inch wide pieces. The ends are now cut square and the tops are cut to final length. Note that the steel bars were sized and located so they won't be cut with the blade. A V-groove will be added to the clamping edge of the tops using the molding head on my radial arm saw. Using another top as a template, 3/4 inch dog holes are drilled with a spiral bit in my plunge router. A small roundover bit is used to ease the top of the dog holes. A little sanding is all that's needed to complete the tops. Although a finish isn't really required, I'm doing an experiment to see how well I can stain this Baltic birch plywood. First, I'm preconditioning the top side with a diluted 1-to-1 mixture of shellac and denatured alcohol and leaving the bottom side untreated. Next, I'm applying a gel stain. This happens to be Minwax Antique Maple. Finally, the tops are protected with multiple coats of a satin polyurethane. Here you can see the finish is definitely more even and less blotchy when the diluted shellac was used to precondition the wood. And here are the new finished tops screwed to the Workmate. The purpose of the V-groove is to help clamp round objects. Another Workmate ready for use. Thanks for watching.